Hey everyone, welcome back to Yay Commerce, your go-to spot for making e-commerce and blogging work smarter, not harder. I'm Vicky, and in this video, we're tackling a sneaky reason your WordPress blog traffic might be dropping: unoptimized images. Images aren't just pretty, they're a huge part of SEO. Let's fix that with some easy techniques you can do today. Let's see the best 11 things you can do to improve your image SEO. First, stop uploading images named IMG1234. Search engines can't read that. Rename them to something descriptive like WordPress SEO tips.jpg before uploading to WordPress. It's a quick win for better indexing. 2 is alt text. It's not just for accessibility, it's an SEO goldmine. In WordPress, click your image, add alt text like WordPress blog SEO image optimization, and keep it short but keyword rich. Skip this, and you're losing traffic. 3. Compress your images. Big files slow your site, and Google hates that. Use a plugin like Smush or ShortPixel in WordPress. Aim for under 100 kilobytes per image without losing quality. Faster load times, higher rankings. 4. Choose the right file type. JPEGs for photos, PNGs for graphics with transparency, and WebP for the best of both. Smaller files, same quality? Convert with a plugin like Imagify in WordPress. 5. Make images responsive. WordPress handles this since version 4.4, but check your theme isn't breaking it. Responsive images load fast on mobile, and that's huge for mobile-first indexing. 6. Use captions. In WordPress, add a caption below your image, like optimizing images for SEO, to give context. It's extra text for search engines and keeps readers engaged. 7. Don't overload your pages with images. Too many slow things down and dilute focus. Stick to 3 to 5 key images per post, optimized, to balance SEO and performance. 8. Create an image sitemap. Plugins like Rank Math SEO can generate one for your WordPress site. It tells Google exactly where your images are, boosting their chances of ranking in image search. 9. Give images descriptive titles in WordPress. When you upload, the title field isn't just for you, it's crawled by search engines. SEO tips: blog image beats image 1.10. Enable lazy loading. This delays off-screen images from loading until users scroll to them. WordPress has it built in since version 5.5, or use a plugin like a 3 lazy load. It's a speed booster. 11. Don't forget thumbnails. WordPress auto-generates them, but they can bloat your site. Use a plugin like Regenerate Thumbnails to clean them up and keep sizes small. Better speed, better SEO. There you have it, 11 SEO image tricks to rescue your WordPress blog from the traffic graveyard. Try these out and let me know your results in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe to Yay Commerce, and ring the bell. We've got more e-commerce and blogging tips coming your way. See you in the next one.